So let's continue this tutorial. For this curtain panel, I will start now to make all these frames and all this support for this fabric. We'll also try to make these two frames for this construction and support and cutting this fabric. So let's start first with this two fabric and how I can make this rectangle and support. So first I will go here to make 2 points for this area, and these 2 points I will make, this is 0.01, so let's make it 0.1, and distance for me it's okay, the same also 0.1 as a normalized curve parameter. Also on this side I will add 2 points. Let's make it the wireframe. Make sure to connect the point to the curve, not to the fabric. So that's here. Yes, just regarding to the curve, and this one also, and here also let's make 0.1 the same. You take it from 0.8, so let's from the beginning to the end, and 0.1 also. And then I will make a separate connection between the 3 points, create like an object and cut the fabric from this object. So first I will connect these 2 points, and also not forget to connect between these 2 points also, because this is as a curve and this is I want as a line. Also from here I will connect this one. Then we'll do the same topic. Here's connect. And also this. Okay, so now let's create from this one my form, and it will be solid. From here I can make sure, for example, 6 and 6 to make sure it's cover all the area. In any case, I will not change the distance to 0.5 meter here as a height of the curtain panel, but to make sure that you cover everything in case of any moving in the main mass. And then as the same I will do here for this one, create form, solid form, let's say also 6 and 6. Okay, now all what I need to do, it's like cut, let's say between this one and the shape, also this one and the shape, the same this one and this shape, this one, and then I don't need this two, so in this case I will make sure first it will not be visible when I import this pattern and hide my elements. So as you can see now, I made the cut in the 2 areas. We can add all the details that I needed in this area, but as a quick, we can make 2 quick supports here as a circle, so I can make here the point, another point, and then I will make circle. First check this one, let's say 0.1, and then I can make even as a full one solid. No, between this one and this circle. Yes. And also in the same, I will do here down. I will add 1 point. I will add a circle and make sure my sets is correct. Same radius and make sure here this is my rectangle, my circle, and that one. So as a small reference detail, we made the support. I will do the same in this area. So I will go here at 4 points. And then from this 4 points, I will go make a circle and make sure that I have this one, my plane, and let's say 0.03. Okay, do small. Let's zoom a little bit. And again, I think all three, it's okay. Okay, we try now to make this frame. And then as the same, I will go here, zoom, make quick reference to this one, for circle, and my extrusion. Okay. Create my solid. And the last one is a frame for this one. Set. And next. So as I can see now, I make my main outer frame. So also we need to make the supports, as we can see. And this one I have here like 4 main supports with circle. So we can try to first save this one and we can go to make quick profile. Let's can do it from the generic. So okay, generic model. We can try and I think it should be okay. I just the important things I go to the elevation and from the elevation let's set unit first by meters. And I just let's try to see it's like a small circle with 2 rectangular right and left. And we can make as a double of the radius that we use it 0.3, let's say for example 0.4, 0.5, let's can say 0.5. So let's go here, make circle. What happened to this one? Okay, okay, yeah, from the center. And okay, let's move a little bit, let's say 0.05. And then as a default, we can make as a 2 let's say rectangular like that. Okay, cool. Can remove this one and just okay. The same. I can do it like that and just split circle. Make my trim, and this is it will be like as a profile. Let's say save it as a profile, and in this case let me load it here. So this is now it will be my profile. Let's then try to take a point. If I will take point on this side, and let's insert, let's say in that one, but yeah, in this case he will add it. I need it in the plan face. So okay, let's back again to open this one. In this case, I don't need to do it in the elevation. I will do it as a plan. So let's move this one from here. Let's back to my reference plane. And from the reference plane, I will do the same what I did there. Fine. Circle and 4.05. And from this one also, I will make the same concept. So move this one, that one, and then this one here, and I need my split and my trim. Okay, I can save it and load again from this one. So I think in this case, if I insert in the component, so yeah, it will be as what I want, but make sure first this point, let's hide that one for now. And also I need to hide these elements and make sure that I need to put my points here and my component not related to the this plan, so we can connect, let's say here connect to my adaptive points. So okay, let's try this way, and then we can rotate, and it's not setting the rotations, so we can go from this one. Let's say if I will rotate from here like 90, and then let's extrude this one. So I think it's fine. In this case, I will do the same point here and go to component, put in this point, then rotate also 90 degree. Let's drag, put it as a plane because it's like we didn't select the plane in this time for the rotation. So let's set as this one component like here, and can rotate like 90 degree and connect this one. And then in this case, I connect the faces. Also, I will do the same here and here. So let's go to do it and back to you. Okay, so I made now the 4 frames on the 4 support for this type. Also, I don't forget I need to make for each one as an instance parameter because in case of the repeated of the curtain panel, it will repeat that one and this one. So let's make it invisible and by select for the edges to do it in case of I close my curtain panel in the mask face, and I will show this now when we transfer it to the mask. And just for now we need to put like a big support bolt as I see in the wireframe. Let's this point try to show the reference plane for this one and put a quick bolt as a support. And then as a circle, it will be more easy from here to get this one. And this wireframe, let's take my circle and let's make a little bit bigger, 0.75. Okay, and let's see how it looks in the extrusion. You can make in the both sides. So that one up or down. So as I can see, it's like okay, you can connect these two together. But the point is we need to make the extrusion by height. So let's check from that one if I make it as a circle sphere. So as I can see, it like looks nice here. And then I will do the same task for the all also. So here circle set and all, and from that one solid as a circle here also. And then the last one, it will be here, this point. connect, and as I created. So this is the shape, it's almost ready. The only one thing before transferring to the mass is to do here for visibility, like let's say support one, and as an instance, support two. So when I come back to my points, I just see only one support as a default. I open it for all the mass, and the other three I close in case of I need to open any one of them. We will open it in the mass. Like I will show you now how it can do it. So this is okay in my side, and then let's go to the open my mass that I already did it for. So from here, let's say this one. And then I will load my curtain panel. Then I will go here, I'll find my family too. And in this case, as I can see, they made all the frame. Just the only point that I need to remove the visible of the connections. Okay, we'll see how we can do it now. But just to go to elevation, but this in this side, it's like here and here, so I will rotate as a 90 degree, all good 90 degree or 270 to show the design exact the same here, because in this case, yes, my point starts from this side, and the remaining thing that when I come back to this one, I need to make this not visible. So I can load this one now with the same parameter. So now, as I can see, they remove all the profile look and just everything related to the design. I have one connection here. The full connection is showing in this way. In case of I need to show connection, let's make this equal first. Let's make fixed number. And as I can see, in any case of like some panel need connection, I can open 2 or 3 or 4 that I already did it in my design. And then we can easily open our project. And then I can to export this one. I put it in place now, and then I will update it. So once you go to the level 2, and from level 2, let's say if I have a component, place components, and I will load this family. And just like, okay, let's say from the 3D, that's cool. And just in the elevation, if I go somewhere like that one, I can easily add a, okay, and I can see now in my 3D, just as a plan, need to little bit fix from this side, and then I can take this one, that one, okay, and then as a 3D view, I can see now how it's look, the zooming, all the frame, all everything. I can also do the same in the other elevation, just like a quick reference to make this design. So I hope this one can be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us, put a like, and thank you, and see you in another tutorial.